Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a dark mode on Snapchat, right? So we will go into the Snapchat mobile application here, and yeah, after that you have to click on the profile icon which is on left top side corner, right? And after that you have to go to the setting which is on top right side corner, and here you will see an option of app appearance, right? So I also can't say it, then we will do one thing to bring it back. I will just click on I need help, right? And after clicking it here, I will just it will load for a few seconds. We have to wait, and after that we on the search bar we have to type dark mode, right? And after doing it we have to click on the first one, and after that we have to just go back, right? And we'll just go back and we will click on the setting, and after that below here, below voice scan you will able to see app appearance, and after that clicking on that you will get the option to choose the light mode and dark mode. It is not available in the Android phone right now, but it will be get available in Android after some few days. Right now it is only available in the iOS, right? So this is what this is what the Snapchat is saying. So I will just click on I need a help, and let me just show you. And here we have to again type the dark mode, right? And here after that you can see that dark mode is currently only available for Snapchatters on iOS, right? So right now it is not available on Android. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, like this video right now, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Till the time, take care, goodbye.